It feels unreal, I would say. I wasn't expecting I would clear it on the last day. I was like wondering if I would make it. But yeah, I've done it. So it was amazing. I think it was a great decision to enroll here.
Okay, Chaitanya Ghosh,
Yes,
All
sir.
India Rank 2, A-Late
Yes, sir.
2025. Chaitanya, how does it feel?
It feels unreal, I would say. I wasn't expecting I would clear it on the last day. I was like wondering if I would make it. But yeah, I've done it.
So, ये expected था? लगता था कि रैंक 2 आएंगे? कुछ ऐसा?
नहीं, मुझे तो नहीं लगता.
नहीं लगता था। पर तुम्हारा तैयारी उस लेवल का था चैतन्य। Remember all the mocks we did, A-Late centric. क्लैट में तुम
Yes,
जहाँ
sir.
पे भी हो, A-Late में तुम्हारा बहुत लंबा गैप होता था। जरा एक बार अभी मौका मिलेगा तो एक बार जाना और अपना प्रीवियस A-Late का मॉक्स देखना, ठीक है? जानते हो तुम
Yes,
पूरे
yes.
बैच में हम जिसको भी बोले कि चैतन्य का रैंक 2 आया या फिर नाउ एवरीबडी नोज, सब सर उसका
Yes,
तो
sir.
आना ही था बिकॉज हिज A-Late स्कोर्स वर इनसेन। तो तुम्हारा जो रैंक है वो बहुत वेल डिजर्व्ड है। वो कोई एक दिन तुम्हारा बल्ला नहीं चला है कि तुमने दुनिया जीत लिया। नो, तुम्हारा A-Late का स्कोर्स हम लोग तो सब कोई कंसिस्टेंटली ऑब्जर्व करते हैं ना, तुम्हारा A-Late का स्कोर्स हैज ऑलवेज बीन मैसिव।
So I'm Chaitanya Ghosh. I'm right now 18 years old. So my parents are originally from Bihar. I was born in Gwalior and brought up in Bhopal, and I've done all my schooling in this city only. So I've been in DPS Bhopal from the starting, and I joined NPLC in class 11, and that's how it's been.
Okay, great. So tell me, so you're from DPS Bhopal, right?
Yes, sir, yes. So I'm a student of humanities stream. So I have history, political science, geography, English तो सबका ही होता है. Then additional में I have vocal music, and optional subject I have Sanskrit.
तो चैतन्य, तुमको हो सकता है किसी पॉइंट पे लगेगा that सर ऐसा क्यों पूछ रहे हैं? Reason being, I know you well. I know everything
Yeah.
about you, right? It has been 2 years together, but
Yes, sir.
it is for the public and it is for the viewers to understand what exactly and how exactly it works. Okay, great, Chaitanya. Now, Chaitanya, tell me, कैसे किए यार? मतलब रैंक 2 के लिए क्या किए? I understand तुम्हारा होना तो तय है, but 129.50 is your score, I believe.
129.25.
129.25 कैसे ले आए यार? विद नेगेटिव मार्किंग, 150 का पेपर है, सो 20 मार्क्स, 20.5 मार्क्स सिर्फ कटा है तुम्हारा विद नेगेटिव मार्किंग। एक्यूरेसी लेवल क्या था? वो क्या दिमाग में उस दिन माँ सरस्वती सब साथ ही बैठी हुई थी क्या? हाउ एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इट वेंट कि फ्लॉलेसली बढ़ते चले गए? हाउ एग्जैक्टली वाज द एक्सपीरियंस व्हाइल यू वर राइटिंग द एग्जाम?
Sir, so initially after CLAT इतना easy paper था CLAT इस साल भी. So I was expecting a tougher paper, and जैसा आपने बताया था A-Lit is a standard paper, कभी उसमें इतनी discrepancies नहीं होती हैं. So when I started I found English very easy. Then मुझे लगा कि English तो easy होता ही है, तो then maybe logical would be tough. But then I found all of the paper very easy, and I was done 17 minutes before the exam. So I was wondering what to do next because बहुत जल्दी हो गया. So GK was also very easy.
So GK सब कुछ आता था क्या तुमको? Did you know everything? What was the, how was it?
No, so I always find वो points वाले questions tough in GK कि इस policy में अब कौन इसका part है. So एक I guess classical languages पे आया था. What are the new criteria that the government has introduced? So उस टाइप का एक और question था the bio right scheme. Those two questions I found difficult, तो उसमें I fluked, and 2 questions I didn't know. Rest I knew. So I think you can't really make ऐसा watertight division इन दोनों exams के बीच में. So my preparation was like uniform only. I never like ऐसा difference.
So clear था, मतलब CLAT के लिए कर रहा है तो A-Late के लिए भी, A-Late के लिए तो CLAT के लिए, which
Yes,
is true. Great, Chaitanya. So I understand you cannot differentiate between the two, and especially
Yes.
इस बार जब CLAT में भी analytical का questions डाल रहे हैं, तो obviously it has to be तुमको अब तो almost paper एक ही है, and the level also now has started matching both CLAT and A-Late का. there's not much of a difference unlike what it used to be earlier. Great, Chaitanya. And how about your parents? How happy are they? Of course, मेरी तो बातचीत हुई है उन कल रात से ही 2-3 बार अभी तक हो चुकी है. And
Yes.
so how happy are they? मतलब एकदम, how is it?
Yes, so like they're extremely happy. They never expected. I've never seen a single digit rank. So yeah, I was screaming. I was on the first floor, and then my father, like, he came up the staircase and he's like, "Kya ho gaya?" And I'm like, "Second rank aa gaya." And like, yeah, he was very happy.
तो ऑल योर फैमिली फ्रेंड्स और तुम्हारे पापा के जितने दोस्त हैं सब हमको सवेरे से कॉल किए. आई थिंक your papa has called enough people saying whoever introduced me to you, उन सबको थैंक करते हुए. So I think we have got many calls already.
So the GK portion I particularly find very tiring. Like those 4 PDFs which you used to give, मतलब उसमें काफी effort लग जाता था. But yeah, I think end में I started enjoying it. कि मतलब it's a part of the process है तो करना ही है इसके बिना. You can't really do much.
Great. And I think almost you know everyone at Centaur. ठीक है, सब कोई तुमको आता है. It's not a center जहाँ पे you cannot plant anyone, right? So तुमको सबको पता है कि चैतन्य कौन है, चैतन्य को पता है, संयुक्ता कौन है, संयुक्ता को पता है, आदित्य कौन है, आदित्य को पता है कि विदिशा कौन है. So everyone knows everyone. So almost we are like more than 10 people will be joining with you in NLU Delhi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Chaitanya, my next question would be क्या है तुम्हारा सजेशंस, क्या होगा आगे जो लोग एलेट के लिए कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज तुम्हारा क्लैट में क्या आया रैंक चैतन्य?
So it wasn't like very good. It was 280.
It was 280. Fine. It is okay. मतलब वो एग्जामिनेशन में that happens.
So critical reasoning, I think it was mostly practice. Like all the mocks we have done at the coaching, all the sectionals we have done together. I think it was that only because before ऐसा I didn't know कि reasoning had 2 parts, critical reasoning and analytical. I only knew analytical because I used to give Olympiads from like काफी पहले से. So I knew only about analytical. यहाँ क्या I got to know that there's this thing called critical reasoning. So I think it was mostly practice.
It was mostly practice, and Chaitanya, how many mocks did you write in 2 years?
So I think close to 200. The serial number still doesn't say 200, and I might have missed a few. So at least 175.
At least 175 mocks. And how much did mock analysis and mocks help you?
So I think mock analysis is the most crucial part in this journey. I think उसी से I think you get to know what are your weak parts, where you're making mistakes. Then you can work upon them. So I think
yeah, writing mocks is just like looking into a mirror and evaluating how exactly you look. Till you work on your appearance, it never improves, right? So mock analysis is that when you realize what mistakes have you done and then you work with it.
It was amazing. I think it was a great decision to enroll here. Like, I think my parents were thinking of. Then Papa के एक batchmate है. He told us about it, and then Papa was like, "No, अब तो यहीं जाएंगे. अब now we are not taking anyone किसी और का भी advice." So yeah, it was amazing. I think.
Because this is also because we have lesser number of people, so that always
yes, sir.
Helps that in that personalized attention.
Yes, I think the batch size is a huge.
Yeah, तभी तुम इस तरह का mock discussions conduct कर पाओ. If you have 10,000 people, तो तुम कैसे mock discussions conduct? It's not possible.
Yes.
Right? And so that personalized angle comes in, which is great, Chaitanya. So I can't express in my words how happy I'm with you and your entire batch as well, right? मतलब तुम लोग सब कोई इतना अच्छा किए हो, right? That we will be celebrating it very soon, and तुमको तो आना ही आना है. Yes, we are doing it in a big way. So everyone from Bangalore, Bombay, पूरा सारा जो online वाला जो पूरा crowd है, everyone is coming because most of you have reasons to celebrate now. क्योंकि सबका ही हो गया है.
Yes.
सारे लोगों का ही हो गया है. So everyone is excited कि सर हम लोग चलो. So यहाँ पे and I'm sure तुम तो दिल्ली आ ही सकते हो. तुमको बहुत दिन I think you stayed for couple of weeks in Delhi for the classes?
No, sir. I stayed a couple of months in Delhi.
Couple of months in Delhi, yeah. तो कितना सारा दिन आकर के इतना हार्ड वर्क, आई हैव सीन यू वर्किंग हार्ड, मतलब थ्रू आउट, एंड मतलब आई जस्ट हैव वन वर्ड दैट इट इज अ ट्रूली वेल डिजर्व सक्सेस। तुम बहुत मेहनत की हो चैतन्या, आई हैव सीन यू, एंड अगर तुम्हारा नहीं होता तो हमको बहुत अफसोस होता, ठीक है, बट तुम्हारा हुआ ही नहीं, यू डिडंट जस्ट क्लियर्ड इट, यू बेसिकली रॉक्ड इट। एंड चैतन्य, तुम्हारे और रैंक 1 में कितना फर्क है मार्क्स का?
0.75।
0.75 है, चलो भाई। यू नो, थैंकफुली अभी मैं किसी को के साथ इंटरव्यू कर पा रहा हूँ जो हिंदी बोलता है। You know how your batchmates are, right? Nobody even understands.
So Dhruv Kamath.
Yeah, nobody. Dhruv, Samyukta को अभी I was with her, right? और no Hindi, nothing. I've told कि दिल्ली आ रहे हो तो अब हिंदी सीखो, right? So
Yes,
you need to learn Hindi. So nobody understands Hindi, right? Vidisha was here at center today. Aditya Mehta was here at center today. So of course, we could deliver that. नहीं, चैतन्य, I am very very proud with you, right? And तुम हम लोग को इतना ज़्यादा, you have given us reasons to smile, cheers and everything, and very well deserved success, चैतन्य। बस इसी तरह आगे बढ़ो, right? We'll be connecting again and do plan a trip to Delhi, और मतलब यहाँ आओ and then we will celebrate because and enjoy these moments, right? मतलब बड़ा स्पेशल मोमेंट है, ठीक है, ये लाइफ का, और इसके बाद अगर यूपीएससी दोगे तभी ये मोमेंट आएगा, फिर तो कोई एंट्रेंस नहीं आने वाला है, राइट? सो एंजॉय करो और गॉड ब्लेस यू, खूब खुश रहो, खूब तरक्की करो, और हम लोग तो फिर कनेक्ट करते ही रहेंगे, और घर पे सब कोई को मेरा रिगार्ड्स दे देना, ठीक है?
यस सर।